Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up CapRover on VPS for one-click app hosting. Begin by choosing a VPS provider and create an account. Select a plan based on your requirements and budget. Launch your VPS and select an operating system, preferably Ubuntu. Connect to your VPS via SSH using a terminal or an SSH client. Use the command SSH root at your server IP to access your VPS. Ensure your system is up to date by running apt update and apt upgrade. Install Docker by executing the command curl fsshell https://get.docker.com or get-docker.sh. Next, run the script with sh get-docker.sh to install Docker. After the installation, add your user to the Docker group with usermod ag docker $USER. Log out and log back in to apply the changes. Now, install CapRover by using the command docker run emain_node_ip equals your server IPP 3000:3000 CapRover/CapRover. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, access the CapRover dashboard by navigating to http:// your server IP 3000 in your web browser. Create an admin account by entering your desired username and password. Follow the instructions on the screen to finish the initial setup. Configure your domain name and the CapRover settings if you have one. You can now deploy apps by using the one-click app feature provided by CapRover. Explore the dashboard to manage your apps, databases, and other settings. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the documentation for advanced configurations. That concludes the setup process for CapRover on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.